This opportunity is for an electrical engineer who is in Ohio or can travel to Ohio October 10th. The engineer will have experience with AutoCAD Electrical design and Allen Bradley PLCs. The equipment is also integrated with Fanuc robots and Omron devices. This contract will last for at least 3 months and will likely extend many times. Click the link in the description or visit automateamerica.com to view this and many other great opportunities. I also want to take a moment to thank all the customers, service partners, independent contractors of Automate America. Thank you for being a part of the greatest marketplace the world has ever seen. Our mission is to give all professionals access to all of the work and to give customers instant access to all of the available and qualified professionals. Early adopters, you are making this happen faster than we ever dreamed. A free, fair, and open marketplace for all professional labor around the world. Today, I also want to send my personal thoughts and prayers to all of those affected by Hurricane Ian. Have a safe week. Thank you for your time.